Little storyteller.
Nibbles the hamster had very fluffy brown fur and bright, curious eyes. He loved his little blue toy car more than anything. One sunny morning, Nibbles looked at his car. It was covered in bits of bedding and tiny sunflower seed shells. "It needs a bath," squeaked Nibbles. He wiggled his nose and a wonderful idea popped into his little hamster brain. He would build a car wash. First, Nibbles found some soft, bendy twigs. He carefully arranged them to make 2 tunnels. Then he gathered some fluffy cotton bedding. These would be the big spinning brushes. He used tiny bits of sticky rice he had saved to attach the cotton to the twigs. Next, Nibbles needed water. He found a little leaf and carefully carried tiny drops of water from his water bottle. He placed the leaf above the first tunnel, so the water would drip down like gentle rain. With his car wash ready, Nibbles pushed his little blue car into the first tunnel. The soft cotton brushes spun around as he pushed the car through. The tiny water drops washed away all the dust and crumbs. He pushed the car through the second tunnel, with even softer, fluffier cotton brushes to dry it. When the little blue car came out, it was sparkling clean. Nibbles squeaked with joy and pushed his shiny car around his cage. Nibbles learned that with a little bit of thinking and effort, you can solve your own little problems and even have fun doing it.
Please subscribe. Thank you.